Put your meat as a rasta, brother.
Rasta.
Whoa! What's the holy hot pot? Iron.
Yeah.
Hey. Cool it down. Cool it down. We have to cool it down. I don't love me foolish, you see that?
Let's bigger pieces of wood go for it.
Why? Why, brother? What kind of bigger piece? Yo, why? Me not even repeat what you say, brother. The camera don't pick it up already. You remember? Yo!
The leverage, yeah. Yo. You don't know, say welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss, and today we are do it like how we do it a yard, Jamaica style. You don't know, say yo, we are gonna roast some yam and we are gonna roast some plantain. I don't know, say we are do it with some chicken. A chicken back? Yeah. So you don't know. We're there, so how we're gonna do it. Catch this one now, man. That's how we are dealing with it, you know. You see me? So Leverage Nation, just check and watch where I go on. You know the leverage, we all have vibes and we are just going. Do the right thing. So see, yeah, man. You see me? See, yeah. So you don't know. So we are doing some afterwards now, late night. Well, not late night, you know, but the dark up now. You see me? So we're going to show you the process same way. That's how we do it. You don't know the leverage. You know the leverage. Leverage. Yeah, so check in back Leverage Nation. You don't know, say clear. I chop up the board, you see it. You start up the thing, you see me? I do a quick thing.
Leverage.
Yeah. We do the right thing and put in the yam in it. You see me? And the plantain. You see me? So, Leverage Nation, I don't know. We're there, it's a dark up, so maybe, we don't know, we do some chicken, some curry chicken, and we do the plantain and the yam like how we say, but if it dark up, maybe we just go and show we do some of it inside, but we do it like how we do it a yard, outside style, we roast it, you see me? See it there? Come like, I want more than this, man. Where's the clear?
I might have to get some more.
Get some more.
Get it. I have to get some more.
So in the meantime, in a Leverage Nation, look on them little tree here. How kind of tree this right as well? This look like a apple tree. This look like a mango tree this, you know. Look like a mango though. I don't know. Coconut tree in the meantime, between time. You know a leverage. You see me? You know a leverage nation. Yeah man, so we check in when we get up all I think them, you see it? And we are just see where we start the thing. Try to do it before night fall down, cause sky, beautiful sky. Yeah. Yeah, Leverage Nation, I don't know, we're there. And we have some leg quarter, we have to go some bombs and cut up the curry, you know. We have it the right and proper way. Real and fast, you know. So, yeah man. That's how we have got to work, you know. We have to deal with it fast. Yeah, you know, so I want a boo. Let's take off the thing them off for it, you know. Curry, so you know where I take off all like excessive. No, oh, smaller knife like that. So. You gotta do the right thing. So check in. So check in now we are clean up and we finish clean up on a seasoning. You know? So we are do it quick and fast. You don't know the leverage. You know the leverage in the Leverage Nation. Alright.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to pick up the fire now, you know? Don't know. Got the leverage. I hold it closer bro to the fire, brother.
That will blaze up?
No. What if we blaze up to you?
Brother, kerosene I'll ever blaze up cause and that me used to lighting fire with. You see me?
Wait for guy.
She never couldn't find none.
I take 10 years to light one fire, guys.
Brother, you didn't record 30 seconds.
The man has come from country, look where I catch fire. Eh?
If you don't catch then I can say something. If you not catch, but if you do catch, then I can say then.
Alright guys, let's stay tuned and watch our gun, yeah? Alright guys, see it here now. Don't know the meat I get clean up.
You know the leverage, man. That's how we do it, man. Get some water and wash it off proper way and clean them up, you know. That's how do it, cause night I come down, you know. So we have to do what we have to do.
That's the leverage.
You know your leverage, man. No, sir. Fitness up. We just have to take off the skin, them, cause you don't know on a fried chicken segment, so yeah, try to do it fast. Max them up, you know? Yeah, man. Try to run against time, man, you know? Oh, yeah, give him a proper wash. I like the part that look.
Yeah man, I don't know. I get it to wash up in vinegar, you know?
Quick and fast. No dirty meat, you know? Fireman clear, where you going with over there?
Alright, see it guys. Fire blaze. Yeah man, try to get some chip, you know? Keep the fire active. I don't think I need no more chip in that right now. See if I catch.
Not much. If we get bigger pieces I would go for it.
Why? Why, brother? What kind of bigger piece? Yo, why? I mean, I even repeat what you say, brother. The camera don't pick it up already. No, without none of that. See it guys, you don't know. See piece of yam we are going to roast. Don't know. We have two plants the same way we are drop on it. Yeah man. Don't know that a leverage, you know. Nothing like some good roast yam, see it? Man. See it guys, still there the mats up the meat, you know? Yeah man. Almost finished still, you know? See there? 3 pieces or 4 pieces in there. Yeah man, don't know. Oh, we have to curry it up.
Curry, we are curry,
Yeah,
man.
fully curry, you know.
Try just maximum fast and mix him up. Yeah, not too big. So we got to work, man. Night I come down.
See you guys. Not too dark yet still, but you know. You know the pool over there is still active.
No miss.
Watch your finger now.
Yeah, I catch that one there now. Wrong way to put that one there, but part of the thing, man. As long as it cut down.
Fully.
Move like plastic chicken so I like a
And a whole heap of that out there though.
the yam that me I smell already.
Yeah, active.
See me, man.
Yeah guys, so we couldn't really get no chicken back, so you don't know we have to work with some leg quarter, you see it?
Good enough because part of the back this stuff.
That's true, that's true.
See amazing part, yeah.
Not for me though. Not for me. Not for me.
Wash him off, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah guys, so see it there? Yeah, still a roast same way, you know? Yeah man, active man. That a leverage, you see it? But a regular man we used to boom and we go cook a bush, brother. You get flour, man can flour, a man can rice, a man can do mackerel.
So we do it, brother.
Ah, brother.
We are can, some man can mackerel, some man can do can bean.
Yeah,
Some man can.
that's why I said them a youth in Jamaica. Them a youth in Jamaica now have no fun again like one time, brother. But then, brother, you have so much fun, bro. Man, gone a mango bush, man. Gone look jelly.
I know. And you see, the thing is, when I talk a recent, you know, like, well, before COVID still. But never that long ago. But
Like,
still, like.
2019.
Yeah, 2018. We are, because my bridging them always do it. Because bush the right there, so we got shop bud, we got pick fruit, and then we don't go pick a key.
Yeah, but enough youth nah do that.
Enough, you see
You're
me?
mad, but remember when we there grew up, bro, I mean, regular, man. Regular. Red gone all river. Those were the days, bro. Nowadays, just lame, bro.
But I'm not, so when I be a Morris man in a dirty water, I jump out a tree in a Morris water.
You're
You know?
mad, man.
And my grandfather come across and buck up on, but my grandfather cool. So I tell them my yard. He make we continue until we're done. And then the whole hour we go back in. You see me?
But then the rest of them don't nothing to do. The
No,
Maros in the night and crocodile and sitting probably in there and look at that.
Our water we used to, upon Will and my water we used to. So I learn at my grandfather's place.
Eh, see the feature one crocodile can come over there one night and yeah, man, they sit there traveling, man. I think,
Free.
nah, brother.
But we never worry about that because the thing is, our water we in a daily I look for turtle because we catch all turtle and something.
And cook.
Raise and cook. We cook it more than once.
Why they say it tastes
It tastes like goat.
Have whole heap of different tastes.
It
Then say it tastes like chicken, then say it tastes like goat, it tastes like pork.
You know more than once and a curry and it tastes like a curry goat.
Oh, but me not see. People
meat
say
weird
people say you have whole heap of different tastes.
The meat weird still say when you don't butcher him and you cut out the meat out of the shell, you broke your back. Or you can break it from but the back half you broke, so you break it from the
But
side.
you can't, like how you do the coconut, you can scoop you out of the back, like take time cut him out of the back.
And that we have to do, but it take long because it's tight. It's like a meat grow up on it like a meat pan bone.
Also,
So it's like a rat skin,
like a grizzle, but they like a pork. You know, by the pork bone, like grizzle. I say back then, pan the
So you have, like when you're cleaning, you know, you have it plus a break in the shell. You pass up on the shell, you break underneath because you broke it from the side, you know, nothing. You see me, it just soft. So a be sharp on the shell. So you have to cut it and you have to be careful so you don't cut your finger.
Never
It tastes like a goat, dog. It tastes like a goat. And I tell you, you see when you done cut up it, take it out of shell everything and you cut up the meat like you have a cookie and you season it, the meat are flicking and a twitch.
Same way to move
Same way to move when you season it raw. So when you put it in a freezer fresh, before you freeze it, move to the freeze. Yeah, people. Natural seasoning, I get cut up here now. No, I want leverage boss.
Yeah man, you know leverage kinda dark right now, I get the proper lighting. But you don't know, cut up with onion, with scallion, and we have the garlic over here, so you see me? Yeah, see it there? Yeah, do it, you know. You know leverage, you know. Yeah man, I don't know, so we have the other rest of thing them over here, so the pepper and the thyme and the carrot, you see me? So yeah man. I don't know, get another wash.
Yeah, people. So yeah, so we're there now. Cut up the natural seasonings, you know. Fire blaze.
Okay, it's a little bus, so I want it hot enough, so just give them a little bus like that. That's how we do it, you know. You see me? So, yeah man, we are getting the chicken and then we are going to bombs and dash in the seasoning them, you know. Put that over here.
See some seasoning forward there. Oh yeah, so.
Yeah man, you don't know. One Maggi, you know? See there?
One Maggi.
And like a easy spice, right there, so? Yeah man.
Do that.
I need one bagger.
Over here, so we have fire blaze. You know the fire pit, you have the yam roast. Everything there, right there, so. So yeah, get everything active.
Seasonings, you know? Yeah, go catch my seasonings, you know?
Okay, try that some man. Oh wow. Yeah man, so everything wash up.
Yeah, don't done fast, brother.
Yeah man, I say you know say food I cook man when you see them a big jar of seasoning here. One big jar of just Maggi.
Yeah man.
You know say food I cook at the time and I play.
Chicken season, you don't know.
Chef of the house now ramp.
Yeah man. Don't know say a curry, so. Hold on.
You know a ziplock this so.
I know what the curry on it, man.
Can put a little bit on it, man. Can put a little bit, man.
Some people they mix the curry with them seasoning when them a cook. Others them burn it.
But that. Yeah man, I don't know where I did the mixing, you know. Mixing in, man.
Massage it, you know.
Yeah, you know the leverage, man. Dr. Leverage, you know. Oh yeah. Well, the part of the curry, I'm going to put a little bit of curry upon it. A little bit, I don't know what's in the pot really I put it. So just I do it. We just keep a little, you know, a little bit. And just, yeah man, because I don't know. So man, so I say leverage nation, check in, you know. We'll come back when we are fling it in the pot, you know. You know leverage, man. We are put a matter of fact. I'll show you this thing. We are the bread. We put in them pan it to and make it go and get some natural seasoning to you, you know. Rub in them here. Time them, wait a quick wash out. Don't know them thing you have to do no one bagger. Just rub him in, man. So, yeah, man. We check in into going at the pot. You see it, Leverage Nation. Alright. That. This is the niece of Leverage Boss. Enjoying her snacks. Say hi, mama. Say hello. Hello. Say hello, mama.
Alright guys, see that? Don't know them tree like a plant, I just put them in same way then get roast, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man, that's a leverage, you know. Yeah guys, something simple, you know, some roast plantain, some roast yam and some curry chicken, you know? Yeah man, active. That's a leverage, yeah. People curry in a pot.
Leverage Nation, so I just put some curry in a pot, you know. You know, so this is the better cup of curry, so you don't know. Not if you use too much. Light him up.
Better pot in a place, people.
Where you at?
Oh, that's nice. That brush nose, boy.
You know where I brown him up, you know. You know your leverage.
That's up. Curry, I'm
That's a white boy. Now you're speaking Leverage Boss language.
Leverage,
Now
you know,
you're
when
speaking his
white.
language. White boy. Ray and him nephew. Unbeatable duo.
Crossing about you don't know anything, bro.
Just the week I can scrape it. I'm scrape out all right, brother. Scrape out, you say yard man section, then they say I use.
They say I use tongue.
Grab that, brother.
Brother. That's a grabber.
Grab that, brother. What thing you use? I don't mind something. What thing you for your meat as a rasta, brother? Grab that.
What's it all the hot man? Iron.
Yeah. One man.
That clip of piece there, that piece they get clipped. That piece they get clipped. That piece they get clipped, man. Yeah, man.
You don't know leverage, man. Trying to like little bit over and people on the show are going leverage, man. You see it? Right now, I'll show you a trick out. We'll put a little bit of curry on the meat and we'll put all that curry. But look how you see it look whitish right now. But look, if you find our product, oh God man, you're gonna see. I'm not joking. We don't know to this, we chose to this, you know the level. All heap of different way we can do this. You see me? Alright, so we check in back in time, we don't do this, you see me? Alright. Hold on now.
Good people see that.
The bubble up Leverage Nation. Watch the process. You see what I'm telling you about? So the curry look rich, I'm gonna add no more curry to it. Yeah man, that's how you cook curry man. Better pot curry, you see it? Although I give them promotion, but you don't know. You know a leverage man, we there in the night I go and deal with the cooking leverage, you don't know a thing go. You see me right now we are cut up the carrot and put in the last half. You see it? Yeah man, so you don't know, see all over there, so the fire still all bubble for the man the planting. You see me when I go see that when I come out and I see final process, you see me, but during where you say Brittany, you know, say nothing?
Leverage.
Where planting there?
Yeah man, see it there. Planting them.
Ready?
Roasted and ready.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm in there and breadfruit. Add piece of breadfruit. We don't know
Five
when
piece
them
of
drop it in, but they
breadfruit in
didn't.
our
5
fridge.
pieces of breadfruit
In
and
our
they didn't know.
fridge.
So, see it there. Yam and breadfruit. And we're planting over there, so.
I want to put in this one. That's all I think. You want more carrot?
So, this is the leverage. Let's go. What's Spanish class? Ready? Here, people, Brittany, I'm going to try the pot.
Are you enough gravy that?
Taste all the meat, come on. This is stingy.
Hello, mine. Hey. Mine make
Nearly they can done. Take a whole piece.
Actually, you want a piece, you know, man.
No, I'm not a good man, just.
You know, if me say Clay, you want a piece of that, I'll take it.
That don't mean some one piece. I just
If me say Clay, you want a piece of that, take it.
Now chicken now.
Me know you know your long belly.
Make it people
Because me
know.
just take out a piece and you say
Yeah,
take
okay,
out a
man.
whole piece. Oh, the gravy.
Just a little gravy, just a
I
little
don't want
gravy.
double dip.
Make them a shake. What that's supposed to mean? What
Pepper.
are your thoughts?
If I can't get none of this,
Man, a pepper?
it's alright. Me have soup
Brother.
and chicken in the house for her.
Me a chat boy.
You know what none?
Pepper. One bag of pepper in our food.
When you cook down, man.
So what go on, huh?
Bad.
Yeah, man.
You know I got that, man. When you cook down still, maybe it has simmer down more in it, but that is it, man. I said curry nice, man.
I mean, try to put more Maggi in it.
See it there? Carrots.
Carrot,
Let me go
man.
feed Maggi.
So here people, stay tuned.
Alright.
On the know it thing go. A yard man settings in Florida. So stay tuned. Maggi seasoning.
You smell the pepper in them, man. No, man. You have to take out the romaine. You smell it.
Average, man.
No, man. Blood cleat.
Take out one already, yeah.
No, man. Just take them out, man. You can smell it.
So,
When we are shipping back here, I go burn away. My ass is on fire. My ass is on fire. Cool it down. Cool it down. We have you cool it down. I don't love it foolish, you see that? Take out the pepper there, man. Poor Eva now get for taste our uncle Hannah. Our uncle fight against her.
Pull it up a water.
Eva say water down chicken no one give me. Eva say Eva would have spit that out.
Yeah, the TV, you know.
Yeah, down in the TV.
Man, that's a level. Every nation, we are checking, but you don't know anything.
Oh, child. Coco fella.
Hi.
Say hi, mama.
That's the leverage, is it?
That's a leverage.
Good job.
If I get one floodlight, man. When I really know nothing about roast yam, you know. So I try a shake. Hey,
To see if it's good.
Say if it's good, you
if
know.
you see if it good.
Them say enter your custard and push through a knife. And if the custard bombs are firm, done. If it's sticky, you want dry more.
Yes, I eat that.
Look like you just want butter, you know.
Yep. You ready?
Yeah, man,
We are just rest at this side, right? So make it heat steam.
yeah, and we have to stick
Planting them over here, so done. Looking sweet.
And one half a dead breadfruit we find in our fridge.
Yeah.
But we can't leave them out.
Yeah, so me check
Everything I get roast, you know.
Everything there.
this. Check
Roast. Yeah, check that one out too.
And man not ready now, if I see the
Yeah.
see it there.
Butter.
Alright, that's
Yeah,
a leverage.
that's
So
a
we are
leverage.
checking.
Watch your little cheap
Everything
spatula
done.
been up, man. No, sir. $1.
Yo, that's a leverage, man.
What you call a blow on my foot?
Wipe up some butter in him.
Proper.
No one got gut, no one got belly.
Hey, you have to eat for living now.
Eh?
You have to eat for live.
As Spice would say, we never born for Margo.
Yeah, man, leverage nation, I don't know. But then nighttime cooking, you see me outdoor, Jamaican style, we are do it, you see me? Don't know, say we have the yam and the banana, the plantain, you see me? So, when I go see final product when we're done, you see me? So yeah, everything look like it finish up right now. I just the curry chicken here, if we just finish up, I will just show you the plate and how we consume. You know a leverage, man, remember? Oh, always remember, you know. Like, comment, share and subscribe. You know the leverage. That a leverage, you see me? Alright, you out here.
I thought the you just saying one. Oh, what is it?
You say what?
Why?
Ansel, you're cute. Oh. Hey, man, I say already.
Let me show you.
Hey.
What me do it? Answer with the baby. Answer my baby.
Editorial work.
No, sir.
Fish, no. I see everything that's about. What I say? You know, you can watch the video, you're going to see. This is more good. So I can say,
You want?
No, no,
come in.
No,
watch the video, you're going to see. I say, why?
What if I editorial work give me and come and tell me no I'm going?
Yeah, go work, you know. No, I'm content. It's gonna work.
Come on.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, so people. See there. My cook up. Smell good.
Take out the butter out of the fridge. Take out the butter by the sub plate. You see butter dish. Should also
We're gonna sample it. Are you?
no man.
Oh, yeah, it's the same butter with me.
Blow out. Ansel.
Yeah. Yeah, people see it there.
Hold on there. Bad, bad.
Yeah, man.
This tastes like
ready.
this tastes like mandible.
No, we're about to. So see the people. We have
That
we have roasting and ready.
when we're done with it, not left for
Not
curry chicken.
roasted and ready. What me a chat? See the printing or something. How it is? Yeah man, if I see her dance, you know how that goes. It tastes good.
I want me not cut it too deep, you know. You want to taste it?
Oh, yeah, why not? Have a sample product. Because the butter melt.
Oi!
Because the butter melt.
Oi!
And the butter come out of the
In
fridge.
that part. No.
Let's see.
Bad. So true. Bad, yo.
Bad. Bad.
Bad.
Butter just melt. See the people.
Eh? Some of the stop by roast. Eh? Some of the stop by.
You want yam for yam, man?
Some of the stop by roast yam now, man. I don't feel like me I do this now. I don't know nothing about roast yam, you know. I don't feel like me I do this right.
Well, we gotta do something, so.
Well, I'll figure it out.
Well, yeah, people see there. Roast yam, curry chicken out the door.
Woo!
Plantain roast too. We have to have a feast, so stay tuned. And we'll see the final product.
Yeah, I'm on Leverage Nation. I don't know, so yo. Give thanks and praise all the time, you know? Yeah, man. Intermission, I don't know anything, we celebrate, man. Yeah. Fire blaze, nice. Yes, you made the place feel warm and nice with the fire. Alright, that is it. Leverage, you just go and sip or what are vibes. Don't know leverage, I don't know. So, holy more content there enough to come out in a Leverage Nation. So, that's all the vibes. You know, I think our thing different. We are doing it different. You don't know. Video now stop jump. So, I don't know. Say, yo, we're there until we reach Jamaica again, you know, say that now stop. So, yeah, man, that's a leverage, man. You know a leverage. Like, comment, share, and subscribe all the time. They are chill by the fire. And they live in fire! Fire blaze! Hold on. Leverage Nation, what is this? We saw this space or this flying object flying with like light or fire behind it, and then afterwards it just took off and then appear back with light in front of it or whatever. You're gonna see. Tell me what it is. I don't know. I think it's
Oh, crap, brother. And the first time it can fly off so much clear. And the first already.
so, yeah, Leverage Nation, see it here. Everything done, you don't know. We cooked some rice already. We have the yam right there, so. And the breadfruit, we do a little frying, never catch that, but you don't know, see? Fry. And we have the plantains, I don't know. Curry chicken, so we go. You know, Brittany and share. Yeah. The food looking good already. So this is the last part, man. So look where I go on and check in, man. Is it? That's a leverage. Oh God, man, curry chicken looking wonderful.
Smell good.
Maybe them are ball for the pepper in a but
Pepper, man.
you don't know. That's how you go. We love pepper more while, you know?
Yeah. Come for this.
We are shear also. We are make clay do the. Oh, look on the curry, man. The curry look rich. Clay, we want to do it taste test and close out, you know. We want to do it taste test.
Alright.
I'll take the cranberry, move the cranberry.
Before. Alright, let's see.
Everything, one rice, curry, chicken.
Dip the yam in the curry. Soak it up.
Alright, let's try it.
Wipe up the yeah. Romy and Tayo. Next thing I want to sleep with Romy and tonight.
That's a leverage, man. You know what I mean?
You know a bad man.
I say they're full of leverage.
Batman, full of leverage. A little spicy.
A little
Very spicy, but
a little spicy.
It'll work.
Yeah, say
Better
everything
leverage.
Don't please don't give Avery any. It's too pepper.
So
The water right
Leverage
here,
Nation, you know a leverage, you know. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. You know, you don't know a thing going on. Until next time, I don't know. So that are the cooking outdoor. We don't know how to do some on the stove outside and thing, and we don't know, so we roast the breadfruit. Roast the yam and the sweet plantain, you know. So that's a leverage, man. Always remember again, like, comment, share and subscribe. That's a leverage. Yeah, man, you know a thing go. Until next time, peeps, you don't know a thing go. Watch food and share. That is it. Really have anything to say?
Can't wait to dig in.
Oh God, man.
Poop, poop.
Poop, poop. That a leverage. So yeah, say and so where you go on?
Alright guys, see ya. I'm going out and I want to see what I go on. Them say it's spicy, but you don't know. I tried the same way. Yeah, man. This is a roast them same way. Right. That a leverage, yeah. Man.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man. Bad. What's up, my man? You could come. You pepper.
Yo! Clay heads up our currychicken.
Yeah, man.
Not real. Double heat on my body.
Turn on your AC room, man.
Double heat on my body, brother.
Yeah, when my bro was hot, man.
I'm sure
hot.
290 wicked.
Man.
Yeah, Brittany, so you say where you go on? Rice. Say have a leverage.
Yeah, man. Tastes good.
Yes, one richness, man.
Yeah, zoom up me the people them say so much food me have on my plate, man.
Food nice if you eat a lot.
Or go back twice.
Yes, that is it, man. So you know a leverage, man.
Roast plantain tastes like when breadfruit half ripe.
That is it.
Bad. Poor Ava can't get no Ava for drink soup. Too pepper.
That's my fault. That's my fault. Pepper, but it's nice.
Money bad.
Breadfruit, the yam, the plantain, the rice, everything nice. Man. Great meal. Alright. That's a leverage.
It's like a breadfruit.
Come on, leverage nation. I don't know. Share a little bit we are going night, you know?
She don't like it, you know?
Let me see where I go on. Because they must say pepper in it, but don't know something like the pepper. Let me see where I go on. I don't taste the pepper. Let me see where I go on. Bad in a leverage nation.
Roast yam tastes like red breadfruit, right? It roast plantain, if you say. I need the
Right now,
I ain't mixing.
sell off. Right now, I give it a 9.5. Because them just didn't say pepper, but just I give myself a reasonable grade. 9.5. I give it a 10 cm still. But yeah, you see me? I give it a 10. And because of me, huh? That's a leverage, man, leverage nation. Until next time. You see me? Bad, watch it.
Me go